Back once again with John Deere 110. Today we'll be replacing the engine oil. So let me show you where the plug is on the bottom of the engine. There we go, plug is right there. Okay, so I have loosened it a little bit, so I'm gonna take it out and drain the oil. Then we'll put some fresh oil in, and I believe the oil is filled through the dipstick, which is right there. So we'll remove it there. Okay, we'll go drain the oil and put some fresh oil in. Here we go. I've placed the bucket under the engine here. As I said, I have loosened that cap or that plug a little bit. So I'm gonna see if I can unscrew it by hand now. There we go. Pretty black. Needed changing. We'll give it a second to drain, and then we'll come back, put the plug back in, and then pour in some fresh oil. All right, the oil is pretty much drained. I'm gonna put the plug back in. Let me remove the bucket here. All right, that's pretty good. And let's add some oil now. Now let's check how much we have, just to make sure we don't put in too much. Put the dipstick back in, take it back out and take a reading. And it looks like if you can see that, it looks like it's just about in the middle, right where it's supposed to be. Check one more time. I could add a little bit more. Wipe down the dipstick and check again. You probably can't see that on the camera, but it's right It's right in the middle. It's pretty good. All done. That was pretty easy. See you on the next one.